Hello, hi everyone. My name is Ricky Lee with Ricky and Jesse Realty. Today I'm going to show you our latest listing in South Diamond Bar. Let's come on in. This is a 2,000 square foot interior space with 4 rooms and 2 baths. And the lot is 12,000 square foot with good view and the north-south facing. The backyard faces south, and you'll get plenty of light all day long. Most importantly, this house is totally renovated with new flooring. We removed popcorn ceiling, new kitchen, and we add a lot of light. One of the best feature of this home is its Walnut School District with Castle Rock Elementary, South Point Middle, and the Diamond Bar High School. The location is excellent. It's using Diamond Bar Boulevard exit with 57 freeway. So you go to, if you go south, 30 minutes to Irvine, 30 minutes to Arcadia, 30 minutes to Ontario. And you get great amenity in South Diamond Bar with H-Mart Market, where people go grocery shopping, and so many restaurants. And the well-known, so without further ado, let's take a look.